Hello, and welcome to Daily English Pulse. Today's story is called The Forgotten Umbrella. Listen carefully. Repeat after me. Practice your English with this story. It was a rainy morning. A young woman named Anaya left her house in a hurry. She was late for work. She grabbed her bag, her phone, and her keys. But she forgot her umbrella. As she stepped outside, the rain was heavy. She covered her head with her bag. Her clothes became wet. She ran to the bus stop. The bus stop was crowded. Many people carried umbrellas. Anaya stood quietly, water dripping from her hair. A little boy beside her looked at her. He had a small umbrella, but it was broken. The boy smiled at Anaya and said, "Your hair is very wet." Anaya laughed softly. "Yes, I forgot my umbrella today." The boy nodded. "My umbrella is broken, but it still works a little." Just then, an old man came forward. He held a big black umbrella. He looked at Anaya and the boy. "You both can stand with me," the old man said kindly. "There is space under my umbrella." Anaya was surprised. She smiled and replied, "Thank you, sir, that is very kind." The boy also smiled. The three of them stood together under the big umbrella. The rain was still strong, but they were safe, dry and warm. Finally, the bus arrived. People got on quickly. Anaya entered with the old man and the boy. They found seats close to each other. On the bus, Anaya said, "Sir, you helped us today. Thank you." The old man replied, "Child, life is like the rain. Sometimes we cannot stop it, but we can always share our umbrella." Anaya thought deeply about his words. The boy whispered, "I like that. We can always share." The bus reached Anaya's stop. She stood up and waved goodbye. Her heart felt warm. She thought to herself, "Today I learned something important." Moral of the story. The moral is simple. When we share, we make life easier for others. Even a small act of kindness, like sharing an umbrella, can change someone's day. Just like the story. Be kind. Share what you can. Kindness makes the world better. See you in the next lesson.